Okay, hi guys, this is a unboxing of the Yoose It's a Chinese mini automatic shaver that has 5 blades. It's called the Mini 5. So mini is small, 5 because they have 5 different blades to cut. I don't know how long this can last, but this looks awesome. Okay, the packaging is awesome too. Look at this. Wow. Okay, it comes with a brush, a USB-C cable, even a carrying case. Everything's in Chinese. If you guys, you don't read Chinese, too bad. I read some Chinese, but not too well as well. So, and my cat wants to get involved. Hello, cat. It's like white shoes, but he doesn't have white shoes. Okay, back to the unboxing. Hey cat, are you coming? Are you going to disturb me? Okay, it says it's very, very tight to the skin and it's just use it very gently. Okay, so this is the warranty card. So he likes it. So I got this. It comes in many, many different colors. I got this in, what color is this? I'm colorblind, so it looks like green. Yeah, I got this in green. So it says Yoose. Yoose. It's not use because in Chinese it's called Youse. So it's Youse. Okay, before I start this up, let me see what's in accessories. Accessories. How do I open this? Oh, you mean it's sealed up? Okay, it's from here. Okay, hello cat. You're gonna say hi cat. Okay, you want to unbox cat? Anyway, that's Tiger, our new little kitten who almost destroyed the house when we went traveling. Okay, USB. Oh, this is a magnetic, feels like a magnetic case. Maybe it's a stand. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, that's all it comes with it, and a case. Okay, and a soft, nice carrying case. All China products like to come with a soft carrying case, especially electronic products. This is nice. Oh, this is so soft. It says Yoose. Okay, how do I start this up? Oh, wow, very nice. Maybe I should shave. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to cut here. And I'm going to focus on myself shaving in a while. But let's see what is this for. Oh, okay. So this little thing is the magnetic cover for it. But it's a bit loose. It says Yoose Mini 5. Cats are fighting. Okay, so let's give it a shave. Who wants to see me shave? Who wants to see me shave? Come on. Okay, this is the Yoose Mini 5. This is not the Pro. The Pro is a lot heavier and a bit more expensive. And it does other stuff as well. But this is just, I just wanted something very basic because I've been using manual shavers for a long time and this is easier to carry around when you travel. And let's see how close is it, because I haven't shaved today. So I have a little bit of stubble. I'm Chinese and I'm not hairy Chinese, so let's see how this works. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna go just on the left side first. Wow, super nice. Can you see this? And here is stubble, see? Wow. Okay, let me finish this. Because it's 5 blades, it's like my Gillette Mac 5. Wow, it's really close. Really, really close. I don't know whether you can see it, but it's pretty nice. I don't feel anything at all. Okay, how about the beard? Here. 5 blades. I don't have to move around so much, right? They say use gentle force, don't push into your skin. Okay, and it's an on-off button. It doesn't have degrees of speed or anything like that. And if you want to open it to clean it, you just open it. It looks like that. Wow, so shiny. It looks pretty well made, you know. Very simple design. Just with 5 rollerblades here, just 2. It's actually, these 5 blades are just for show. There's basically just 2 of this vibrating stuff. These are the sharp vibrating knives. You can see it. Okay. It's a very, very sharp and very, very fine, and it vibrates, and that's how it it gets your hair to go into the hole, and then it cuts it out. Simple, efficient. I like it. How much did I pay for it? 2,200 baht. So that's about maybe 80 US dollars. Okay, maybe 70, 80 US dollars. About 90 Singapore dollars. 2,200 baht. I got this online. I saw it at the airport, and I didn't buy it because although the price was similar, I saw it at the Singapore airport and I tested it, but I didn't have time to go research. So when I came back home, I did some research. It's like, wow, this is a pretty good item because I need something like this, and I never had a shaver that's so small. My old Gillette, it's not Gillette, Philips shaver or Braun shaver, huge and cumbersome and non-rechargeable. They use batteries, or maybe rechargeable, but it's definitely not USB-C rechargeable. So I'm happy with this. I like this. I will use it for a week, and then I will report back whether it's useful. Thank you guys. This is my review and first look of the Yoose Mini 5. Mini 5. Smooth. Pretty good. Now where else can I shave?